Vijay. I'm a Python trainer in PySpiders. So we have a placed candidate here. So can you share your experience in PySpiders?
Yes, sir. The course was started in July, and the first course which I took was SQL, and I took Python full stack as the PySpiders course. And the boot camps, the grooming sessions really helped me in cracking the interview in the startup. And most importantly, the boot camps, which helped me in building my public speaking and English speaking skills. In Python, I had practical knowledge in building loops, while loops, and all those things. That was really good explained by Vijay sir. And the SQL was really good because all the tables were real-time examples were given to us, and with those, the commands were really helped me to write commands in SQL.
Okay, very good. So, very good. So, all the best for your future.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.